What made me study abroad? I think it was a lifelong dream for me as a child. I saw my parents do it. I traveled with them when they did that. Other than the course I'm studying, it's the lifestyle, the independence. Like, I learned how to cook when I got here. Doing laundry, meeting people from all over the world is another learning experience. I know there are a lot of societies from the union's website. Talking to my seniors, older students, they recommended joining the speech and language therapy society. I learned there's loads of societies, engineering ones for people who like to walk, people who like to just have a chat. I think international education is so important. I think the biggest getaway you'll get from it is being tolerant to different people. In the end of the day, you're gonna work with people who are different than you. Getting to know people from Europe, people from Africa, and learning their views on certain issues opens your horizons, and you understand. You don't necessarily have to agree with them, but you can tolerate why they're different and understand it.